Hi everyone. Today what I'm going to show you is the difference between the Broan 27,000 series and the Broan 28,000 series. This is the 27,000 series. The series has a built-in blower and it's located right inside this box. That blower is a 500 CFM blower. The 28,000 series has no blower on it. This unit works with an exterior blower. You would have to purchase a blower. The best blower that I recommend for using would be the Broan 332H series exterior blower. Now that exterior blower would be mounted outside, and when pairing it with the downdraft, normally it's mounted on the wall of your house. Exterior blowers are used with many other different range hoods. It is also capable of mounting up on that roof. The big difference, as you can see, is the height. The height on that 27,000 series is 29.5, and on the 28,000 series it's 21 5/8 of an inch. The 27,000 series, you can vent out the right side, the left side, and straight out the bottom just by moving the brackets, and you can turn this blower and orientate it in the position that you want it. The 28,000 is down only. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.